Alright guys, stick around if you want to learn how to make the freshest and tastiest hummus from scratch. It's so much better than store-bought. Let's go ahead and get it.
Let's get it.
So first of all, let's get 1 can of garbanzo beans, aka chickpeas. How you doing? The name works interchangeably, the bean is the same. So drain the liquid, the aquafaba, into a bowl and set that aside. We're going to use that later. And let's go ahead and drop our 1 can of garbanzo beans into our beautiful food processor. And we're going to get ready to puree, but not quite just yet. We're going to add 1 lemon's fresh squeezed juice into our blender / processor. Either works, do with it what you must. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Use those squeeze muscles and squeeze all that juice in. And next, 2 to 4 garlic cloves, guys. Peel them. It's really nice. We don't have to mince them or anything. Just simply peel them and throw them into our processor with our lemon juice and our garbanzo beans. Boom, bada beep, boop, bop. And then next, we are going to get our measuring cup and we're going to get 1/4 cup of fresh or store-bought tahini. We are going to have a recipe coming up shortly for fresh tahini at home, but for now, we'll have to wait till that comes out. We'll have it linked below though. Next, put that 1/4 cup of fresh tahini into our processor blender. Tahini is a beautiful ingredient and it's really simple. It's mostly just sesame seeds. And anyways, next we're gonna add some olive oil. We're gonna add about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. This is for flavor and also just to help with texture. Let's go ahead and throw that in. How you doing? Another ingredient, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, guys. Very easy, get your ground cumin and measure it up and let's throw it in. Last but not least, 2 to 5 pinches of salt. Adjust as needed, guys. Taste and adjust to go. This is just a baseline. Tasting and adjusting as needed is always good. Oh, and don't forget the aquafaba, aka the garbanzo juice. Let's go ahead and throw about 1/3 cup into our processor. This just adds a little extra flavor, helps with the texture, and blend. Just blend, guys. Super easy. We're practically done. What I'm about to do right here is just some basic adjusting. You know, taste and adjust, as I mentioned. Cook with your intuition and your palate. It always comes out better that way, and we nailed it. Boom, bada, beep. Oh, but wait. So like I said, taste and adjust, right? So I'm adding a little bit of salt, and I'm also adding a little more aquafaba. Just tailoring it to my taste, really. So blend, 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 and then pretty much plate and enjoy, guys. Woo! We hope you found this video helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and stick around for another video next week. We'll see you soon.